Smith and Wesson model 629. There's where I had to take off the sticker that had my name on it when they shipped it. Needs cleaned up. It's got the Smith and Wesson logo grips. It's of course stainless steel. It's not loaded, of course. It's in really good shape. It locks up very tight. Like, there is no wiggle. And there is, let's see if I can do this. There's no end shake. So it has a really good double action trigger. And a very good single action trigger. I might lighten it up a little bit. Well, the single action is fine. Double action is very smooth. Just very smooth. It has the red ramp sight and the blacked out rear sight. I don't know. I may get a white outline sight for that. But overall, it's in really good shape. It's not scratched up. There's a little bit of scuff there. Barely see it. It's probably from just age or coming in and out of the holster. It's the combat hammer, or target hammer, sorry, and the combat trigger. This is a 629-6. There are a few minor things, like this minor thing right there on the cylinder, which I can easily get off. I'm going to shine it up. I've got some grips coming from Altamont that they're going to ship me. But yeah, I'm going to polish it. I'm going to wet sand it, polish it, and put on some new Altamont grips. And hopefully, before too awful long, I'll get to go to a gun range. I have 2 new guns and one on the way that I haven't gotten to shoot yet because of the COVID-19.